Hello. Today we will learn about the phrase answer to somebody. This means you are responsible to someone. It shows who you must explain your actions to. For example, employees answer to their managers. It is a common phrase in work and school. You say, I answer to the boss. Remember, answer to somebody is inseparable. You cannot put the person's name between answer and to. Wrong. I answer the boss to. Right. I answer to the boss. It means you report or are responsible for that person. It is different from report to, which means giving information. Answer to focuses on responsibility. You can use it in formal or informal situations. For example, she answers to the CEO. Or you will answer to your parents. Try to use it when talking about authority or responsibility. Now let's practice. To the manager. The answer is answers to. Great. Keep practicing and you will remember this phrase. Thanks for watching. See you next time.